Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome back to Electro Pixels. In today's video, we are going to do a detailed unboxing and overview of this universal LCD/LED TV motherboard, which is branded as Mi TV main board, and it is a very useful board for technicians who work on assembled or panel replacement TVs. As you can see, this board supports full HD resolutions like 1920 by 1080 and even 1920 by 1200, making it suitable for a wide range of LCD and LED panels available in the market. Now let's start with the unboxing. Inside the package, we get the main board itself along with a configuration sheet that includes resolution setting codes. This is very important for technicians because using the remote, we can easily set different panel resolutions by entering specific codes. For example, 1366 by 768, 1024 by 768, 1600 by 900, 1680 by 1050, and 1920 by 1080 resolutions can be selected using input codes like 31181, 31182, up to 31187. Also, there is a service menu access code mentioned, which is input plus 208, and this helps in advanced configuration and troubleshooting. Now coming to the board overview, this is a compact and multifunctional universal motherboard. Here you can see the main power input section, inverter connection, IR and key interface, LVDS output for panel connection, and external IC connections. The board is powered by a central processor IC, which handles video processing and scaling. Build quality looks decent, and components like capacitors, ICs, and connectors are properly arranged for stable performance. Looking at the input ports, we have VGA input for connecting computers, HDMI input for modern devices, AV input ports for set-top boxes or DVD players, and a USB port which can be used for multimedia playback. Along with that, we also have audio output options like headphone jack or speaker connections. This makes the board highly versatile for both old and new devices. One important thing to note is that this type of universal board is widely used in panel replacement jobs, especially when the original TV motherboard is not available or too costly. By selecting the correct resolution code and matching the LVDS pin configuration, we can easily revive many dead TVs. Overall, this Mi Universal TV motherboard looks like a very practical and cost-effective solution for TV technicians. In upcoming videos, we will show you the complete installation process, resolution setting, and troubleshooting tips while using this board. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels for more technical repair videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.